I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic.
What's going on, y'all? This is your boy, Ellis Rada. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Getting ready to head to the gym. I just left the mailbox. As you can see, the mailman, mail woman is down there, loading everything up. Supposed to have a package for me, so when it comes in, check back later and see what you got for me. All right, so we are back in the mailbox. I did get a message when I was at the gym that said my package had been delivered, so I know it's here. Why Amazon sent that shit snail mail, I don't know. Oh, we got 2 keys today. So we got number 4 and number 15. So 15. That's probably it right there. I definitely don't fill up the box. Definitely don't fill up the box. And the other one, number 4. This is some photography stuff. So, gonna get back to the house, get everything opened up. So, you know, I wanted to show y'all this live unboxing. It's going down in 4K. Believe that. Now watch what I tell you, man. When I say Amazon be wasting boxes, yo, like I swear to God. Look at this. Big old box. Ain't nothing else in there. For this. Bro. For what? But it is here. The Surewo aluminum CNC case for the GoPro. Boom. Hit some more lights over here. Boom. So we can see clearly and all that good stuff. So what we have here is boom. The Surewo CNC aluminum case. So here we have the Surewo CNC aluminum 6 Hero 6/5 black, and we're gonna open it up. Get it out of the plastic there. It's red dot. You know what that means. Your boy's favorite colors is red and black, so you know I had to get it in a black case. Nah, bruh. You know I had to go ahead, cop that red thing, man. Red and black is your boy colors all day long. Now look at that, people. Tell me what you think. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this case. Isn't she a beauty? For the Hero. I've seen a lot of other cases and everything, you know. I don't know exactly how they do it and all that, but this is a case. Now, the reason that I ordered this case is because it has the capability, and when I say capability, I mean capability, to install this here hot shoe that can then be used to install I don't remember if it was this way or that way. I believe it was this way. And I thought it was supposed to come with a screwdriver. This is a screwdriver, but this is not going to work for this big one. Or maybe it will, you know. And I actually thought it was supposed to be going front ways, sideways. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So yeah, this was the biggest thing, being able to have that high shoe mount on there. And then of course, you know, you have your mount for the GoPro that's gonna mount to the bottom. And I mean, it's just a well-made case, so it seems. Me personally, I like the color. I know I said before, I was like, oh, ain't nobody gonna see it, but still. I just was like, for what you paying, you know, to get the other one was gonna be $20. This was like $28. And then I mean, you get a UV filter, it's not a 52 millimeter, but you do get a UV filter that you can use along with the case, and that's gonna, you know, have a better, you know, look for the video. So this right here, this is the new case for the GoPro. You know, we sounding good, you know what I'm saying, video quality 4K. Now we looking good while we making it look good and sound good, you know what I'm saying. And that's what it's all about. Like, I mean, it's just that easy. I actually didn't plan to put it together on the camera, but yeah, that's pretty much it, man. It does have this little thingy majigger bobber. I'm not gonna use it though. But yeah, it's nice construction, looks well built. Like I said, you got the UV filter on there, but that way you can clean off your lens and then it's not really getting dirty or whatever. So that is it, y'all. Well, you know, I appreciate y'all swinging through. Make sure you click that like button. This is the Surewo for the Hero 5 and 6. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. The biggest reason why we got it was to, one second. All right, we're back. So, you know, this is the Rode Video Micro. You know what I'm saying? So, for applications for when we are not on the go, or we're not on we're not in the crib or whatever, or in a vehicle, I would like to record with this for like junkyard videos and stuff like that. So we got the best sound quality out there. And then this just gonna make it to where I can put it on there and then secure that down like that. So that is what that is, like that. You just screw that down just like that, and it is on there. It is not moving. So now you got your little setup, put your GoPro in there, got your mic on there. I believe the mic can, actually, hold on. Like I said, we're gonna have to go back and adjust that bottom screw. But I believe it should be a way where we can rotate it. I don't know, we might not be able to rotate it. But either way, you know, that's kind of the way it is. I actually have to scoot this part up. I go ahead and do that while we on the video. You know what I'm saying? Because when you install this microphone, that's where you want it to be. Is right there. You want it to be sitting off in that groove. Boom. And hold the mic just like that. So I don't think this rotates. As you can see, we got the dead cat. That's gonna, you know, help you for when you're outside or whatever with the sound. My biggest thing, I just don't want it in the, I don't want the big fuzzy mic in the thing, but at the same time I did kind of want it facing, I guess, the front. But if you face it sideways, then, you know, I guess it could face either way. So let me cut to the scene. Let's go ahead and slide the camera in the case so you can see the difference in audio, which I don't predict it'll be much, but just kind of show you what we're working with. So just a little addition. I had it on wrong. It is supposed to face forward like I saw in the pictures, and that's how you're able to slide it in there. I realized that when I stopped the video and went to slide it in, and it wouldn't because I couldn't get the door off. So let me get this loaded up, man, and you'll hear the video mic pro. So as you can see, we had a GoPro with a new case. I wish I could show you all of that reflection or something. But here's the old case. This was our Radley case too. So this little part right here, I just want to record with the stock microphone, and you know, just kind of see if it's still doing that sounding thing. But you know, we got good audio now. We distinguish with the audio. So got the video adapter. I'm gonna get that plugged in, and then get Rode Video Micro mounted on top, or Video Micro, excuse me. Get the Video Micro linked on top, and then you can see the difference in the audio. Alright, so as you can see, we are now on our Rode Video Micro. Hopefully you can't see the microphone in the shot, and that's good. And it's still a compact setup, and it's not that bad. Don't have the rattling, have a cool looking red case. I mean, of course, your low light performance may or may not be bad. I changed up the settings so it didn't have to be manually adjusted. It kind of just adjusted on its own. But yeah. But now I have it to where that microphone is able to be mounted onto the camera, not in the frame, but at the same time still had that great audio. And this would be something that I would use like at the junkyard, you know, going around and showing, you know, this, that, and the third. So another thing that I noticed since I've been shooting this 4K video is that I'm not really able to let's go out here in the wind a little bit, see how this dead cat works. I'm not really used to or able to shoot as narrow as I like to. I really don't like the wide effect of the GoPro, but when you're shooting in 4K, that's the only option it gives you. So here I am. But you know what I'm saying? What do you like this angle, or should I go back to the narrow angle but sacrifice and be at 1080p? So drop down below, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the audio. Let me know what you think of the case. Let me know what you think of the whole little rig, because this is the future. Believe it. Identify your weaknesses and make them your strengths.